This is one of those moments where a little oversight can spiral into something huge, like when a customer thinks they're saving time and ends up losing thousands. And today, that's exactly what happened. I was just doing my usual meticulous work, taking pride in every detail, completely unaware of the disaster brewing right under my nose. This is one of those moments where a small mistake can snowball into something catastrophic. The customer here thought they were saving time, but in reality, they just handed me a blank check to drain their wallet. And honestly, it's not even the first time I've seen this play out. This is one of those rare moments where you realize too late that someone else's oversight just cost them more than they'll ever recover. I was mid-job doing my thing. He thought he was being clever by skipping steps to save time, but one small oversight turned into a $2,500 bill right before my eyes. This isn't just about a $2,500 bill. It's about the chain reaction that happens when someone thinks they're saving time but ends up losing everything. I was in the zone, meticulously working on this car when he walked in with his so-called efficient approach. Little did he know one tiny misstep opened the floodgates for a financial disaster. But here's the kicker. It wasn't just about the money. This one mistake didn't just cost him thousands, it shattered his trust in me, my business, and the entire detailing industry. Now, he's not just another client. He's a cautionary tale for everyone.
He walked in with that confident smirk, thinking he had everything under control. But when I showed him the bill, his face fell like a rock. That's when it hit him. One simple oversight, and his whole plan unraveled. This isn't just about money. It's about the lesson everyone